everyone. Well, here we have presented a model by class 9 and our topic is how smoking affect our lungs. So here it is the model we have prepared here. Well, now let me show you first the demonstration, then we will come to the explanation. What our lungs does, that it is the it takes the responsibility of the air exchange in our body, the inhalation and the exhalation of oxygen and carbon dioxide. So the polluted air which is released by the smoking or any other by factories or the CO2 that we exhale that present in our air, and the carbon particles we have. So when we inhale it, so you can see the carbon particles get deposited in our lungs. So this causes many type of diseases like lungs cancer and shortening in breathing. This is the reason that many people suffer from many types of lung diseases. So what we can do to stop these type of lung diseases? Those who smoke, they have to just stop smoking, and we should reduce the pollutants in our air. How? By just stop using that petroleum car and using more electric cars and other vehicles of electricity. Our main motto of this project is to go green and save the world.
Who is suffering from pneumonia. After suffering for a long time, she was affected both mentally and physically. She thought that when the last leaf of the EV creeper, as you can see outside the window, she thought that when the last leaf of the EV creeper would fall down, she would die. This was totally based on illogical facts, and she was suffering from mental psychological illness. Seeing this happens from many ways, like by singing or by painting or chatting with her about fashion, giving her soup, etc. But whatever did she do, it would not distract Jhansi at any cost. Now another character is introduced here, who is Birdman, a 60-year-old man and an artist. His dream was painting a masterpiece. Seeing Jhansi's condition of mind and state of mind, he decided to help her. So on a stormy night, when the last leaf of the EV creeper was supposed to be fall, Birdman brought an artificial leaf on the EV creeper, and as he was drawing on a stormy night, he was suffering from a pneumonia and died. But when Jhansi saw that the leaf had not fallen, she got courage and saw that if the living creeper would not fall, then why will I see? So Jhansi get all the courage, and again she came to the light of the life. Made it, and solid plus solvent equals to solution. In Volcan it also happens. A solute and solvent, anything, any liquid which have carbohydrate plus sugar can erupt, because solute plus solvent equals to solution. The magma, lava, big stones, stone particles, dust, everything come out from the volcano when a volcano erupts. It is very disadvantageous for our environment. It causes drafts, it ends up the plant and life, etc. It high up the temperature as well as. So we made it a demonstrative model.
Community with different types of houses with different types of advantages. First, here is a fire alarm. Then this is a red alarm. Then this is a thief alarm. And then this is earthquake alarm.
I'm explaining the four main output devices of a computer. First of all, this is a monitor. A monitor displays the result or output as a soft copy. Now this is a speaker. A speaker is allow us to listen to music and hear the sounds stored in a computer. Now this is a printer. We use printer to print text or pictures on a paper. The printed copy is also known as the printout or hard copy. And lastly, this is a projector. A projector is a device that allows us to display images, videos or other contents on a big screen or surface through a lens. Thank you.
This is a keyboard. This is a keyboard and it is an input device. There are multiple keys in a keyboard. This is a spacebar. It is used to keep space between two words. This is a capsule. It is type letter in the uppercase. F1 to F12, these are called the function keys. These function keys used to save files and opening the files. These four are called the arrow keys. This arrow keys helps to move the cursor up, down, left and right. These are called the number keys. Number keys is used to type the number and perform the calculation. This is called the enter. Enter is used to move the cursor to the next line. This is the backspace. Backspace is used to erase an incorrect letter in the line.
These are the projects of different types of topology. Topology is a set of networks and it has different types: ring topology, mesh topology, tree topology, point-to-point topology, etc. That is the model of ring topology where the networks are connected by a wire, and this is the model of star topology where the main controls are central, and that is the project of bus topology where the backbone is it controls all the computers.
Presentation, computer presentation. Well, you can see this is a play station of cricket and quiz. And here is our audience. Happy New Year. Please, what do you want? Quiz or cricket? Cricket. Start the cricket. So, let me show you the history of cricket. This is one animation. Wait a minute. This is one animation which shows the history of cricket as well as famous cricketer MS Dhoni, Thala, and Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma. Let's explore please explore the organizers. This is the organizer, Aztec family, the team that has made the project. Our respected ma'am, Shravantika ma'am, Somojit Kuila, me Auritra Maiti and Onik Kaur, and our respected ma'am, Silpa ma'am. The whole team has made this project. There are two projects, quiz and cricket. So this is the background of quiz. Rules and regulation, think and choose. So we are starting the quiz. So student, please write your name there in block letters, obviously, capital letters. In capital letters. Yes, right. Write your name. So you are a student from class 1 to 8, right? So please play it, please. First question, who is the father of computer? In full form of AAP. So you have done all the questions. Here it is the answer key, and it is shown that you have done everything correct. So 2 chocolates for you. And there is also a cricket game. Press the space bar to play. Just press place bar. Yes, space bar. Continue. 3 balls have already done.
So since you have scored a 4, so there is one more chance for you. Congratulations. Very good. Enjoy and play. Vaccine হয়ে গেছে তো?
Good afternoon, sir. I'm Tanvi Khana from class 11, and today I'm going to showcase my app, Hope Harbor, which is mainly used for donating or selling school accessories like school books, school uniforms, and others. Thank you.
This is internal structure of the heart. This is the outer four chamber. This is right atrium. This is left atrium. This is right ventricle and left ventricle. There are many valves. Some valves are tricuspid valve, mitral valve, bicuspid valve, aortic valve, pulmonary valve. The outer layer of the heart is known as pericardium. There are three inner walls of the heart. There is epicardium, myocardium, and endocardium. Superior vena cava, inferior vena cava. Superior vena cava collects the deoxygenated blood from upper part of the body. Inferior vena cava collects deoxygenated blood from the lower part, and collects to the right atrium. Right atrium transfers blood to the right ventricle. Tricuspid. Then it transfers blood to the left pulmonary or right pulmonary artery, pulmonary valve. Then it transports the deoxygenated blood from the lungs for oxygenation. Left and right pulmonary valve. Oxygen plant to the right left atrium, left ventricle to mitral valve. It then transfers blood to the aorta. Aorta then distributes the oxygenated blood to whole part of the body, to the whole part of the body. Thank you.
Hello everyone. So here we can see Henry, the thing invented by Henry Dewdney. This is Dewdney dissection. If Henry Dewdney proved this in America, so in an equilateral triangle we can try in many ways, but there is only one way in which we can form it in a square. So here we can see an equilateral triangle, and here is the square. So how we will form this? At first we will draw lines in the equilateral triangle such that the base here is 90 degree, here is also 90 degree. Then from here to here we will join, and from here to here. This is not shown here. Then we will bisect it and bisect it. And if we cut all these lines, we will form a square. So here is the method of the square. So a square is formed, we can see here from a triangle a square is formed. And here it is parabola. In a triangle, if we join all the points in a line, in a side of a triangle to the top of the line, then we will form a conical structure, and this is called parabola. We have done this by the tangent method.
The number system, at first I will describe the natural numbers. Natural number starts from 1 to infinity. Then whole numbers. Whole numbers include 0 and then 0 to infinity. Then integers. Integers also include 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But here the twist is the minus ones. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Then rational number. We write rational number in a A by B form, where B is not equals to 0. Thank you.
Anushka Karak, and I'm from class 6 of Zilla Public School, and today I'm here to say about our exhibition of mathematics. This is an exhibition that we have made how a semicircle, which is a 2D shape, if we use our battery and switch, it will rotate and it will form into a 3D sphere. And this is same for the right angle triangle. If we rotate it, it will form into a cone, which is an example. We can take the example of a birthday cap, and if we try out with a rectangle, if we rotate the rectangle, it will form into a cylinder, which is an example, which can be an example of our water bottle. Thank you.
Myself, Oritra Maiti, student of class 9. Welcome to our project. This is a clock. Well, this is not an ordinary clock. Well, you can see there are several patterns here. Well, the pattern is 1, then 4, then 8, 9, 27, and it continues. What is it? Actually, 1 square is 1, 1 cube is also 1, 2 square is 4, and 2 cube is 8. Like this way, it continues. All the digits are written here, the square and the cube numbers. Now, this clock is easy to memorize all kinds of square and the cube numbers up to 12. So this will help the children to memorize, after which they will see the clock every time. They will watch this and will memorize this. Now come to our trigonometry model. Well, this trigonometry, you know, for example, you have come to Qutub Minar. Now, in Qutub Minar, you do not know the height of this Qutub Minar building. Well, the height of the Qutub Minar. Well, by the use of trigonometry, that is angle of elevation and angle of depression, you can measure the height of Qutub Minar. Well, I have set it to 30 degree. Here it is 30 degree and the building is up to this. If I put it on power, so due to sunlight you cannot see it and it is focusing up to here. Now it is of distance of 15 centimeter and the angle is 30 centimeter. Now the formula of trigonometry used in this case is tan 30. The tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. So the height of the building up to this level is 15 by root 3, which is approximately 15 by 2, which is 7.5 centimeter. Now with this trigonometric model, height and distance, you can easily calculate the height of any building if you know the distance and the angle at which you are watching the building. This is the application of trigonometry, height and distance. Thank you.
Myself Kusalai Mandi. I am from class 6 from Jilla Public School. This is a nets of a shape. Nets is a representation of 3D shape. Here is the net of cube. This is the net. This is the 3D shape. And here is cylinder. This is square plane. This is a cube. This is a cone.
Made by the efforts of class 6. Let's come to the film. Sensor uses the identification mark between two traders or any other civilized. This is the megalith. Mega means big and stone. Lith means stone, meaning big stone. This is the buyer side. Around calculating and neolithic age, it is found that people were buried with their belongings. To serve food for them, goats are given. Let's come to the weapons. It looks funny, but in the past time, it is dangerous. It is used to hunt animals and other defensive purposes. This is the ornaments. These are used in olden times. They are made of ivory, gold, bronze, etc. Thank you and hope you have a great day.
I am Shavani Shamant and she is Sadia Shabnam Varsi from class 11 Humanities. So today we have made one on the topic Yogasana, as we all know that how yoga is important for our daily life. So it has become our daily practice due to health complications. So as we all know that yoga helps us to keep fit and healthy and also improves our concentration. So we have made few yoga postures for good health. Now she will continue.
Number 1 is Swastikasana. It helps in concentration and reduces pain. It also increases flexibility and joint mobility. Number 2, we have Virabhadrasana. It energizes our body, opens our hip, chest and lungs, and it also enhances our body posture. Number 3, we have Trikonasana. It improves digestion and improves blood circulation. Thank you. Now she will continue.
So number 6 is Padmasana. It helps to build concentration and gives importance in menstrual cycle. And number 7 is Sukhasana. Helps to relax our body and lose weight. Number 8 is Chaturanga Dhanasana. Improves our overall body postures and prepare us for advanced yoga postures. Number 9 is Reverse Warrior. It helps to lose weight and it improves our blood circulation. Number 10 is Parsva Uddhasana. It helps to refresh our body and mind and relieves from stress and anxiety. Thank you so much. Hope you will like it.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Upodik from class 11 and here is our model on field arena. It is also known as athletic stadium, and here we are showcasing the run it is 100 meters run, and we can also use it for 400 meters. And here is the shot put, and here is the javelin, which is really well known to everyone. And fun fact about run is Usain Bolt actually ate 50 chicken nuggets before winning those 3 gold medals. Maybe he was just digesting those 50 chicken nuggets. And fun fact about the shot put is that before 1968, I guess, before 1968, the javelin was differently designed, so it used to go so far that even the spectators were not very safe. So after that, they changed the system, and it goes near, it falls near, so it is much safer for the spectators. Thank you.
And this is our model on football. Here's the goalkeeper and left back, the right back, the left midfielder, the right midfielder, and the striker. This is a 6-side field of distance of 90 to 120 meter. This on the basis here we have made a model on Real Madrid and FC Barcelona. Real Madrid, the popular player Cristiano Ronaldo has won 5 UCLs on behalf of this. And there is some penalty spot from here, the penalty of us. Thank you.
स्वागत है। अतिथि देवो भव। अतिथि भगवान का रूप होते हैं और हमें हमेशा उनका स्वागत आदर और सत्कार से करना चाहिए। ये क्रिया है। हम जो भी काम करते हैं वह क्रिया कहलाती है, और जो भी हम काम करते हैं उसमें समय का बहुत ही बड़ा महत्व होता है। साल में 12 महीने हम काम करते हैं और हमें सारे काम हमेशा समय से करना चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर एक बार समय हमारे हाथ से निकल जाए तो कभी लौट कर नहीं आएगा। ये मॉडल मुंशी प्रेमचंद जी की कहानी का है, 2 बैलों की कथा। इस कहानी में 2 बैलों के बारे में बताया गया है। मुंशी प्रेमचंद जी ने 2 बैलों को दो बैलों के द्वारा हमारे भारत के लोगों को दर्शाया है। प्रेमचंद इस कहानी में 2 बैल बहुत ही लड़कर और मुश्किलों का डट कर सामना करते हैं और स्वतंत्रता को पाते हैं। प्रेमचंद कहते हैं कि हमारे भारत के लोगों को भी इसी तरह मुश्किलों का सामना करके अंग्रेज़ों के खिलाफ आवाज़ उठाकर सामना करना चाहिए, ताकि वो स्वतंत्रता पा सके। यह है जूली का घर। इसमें जूली इन दोनों बैलों का मालिक है। वह उसे बहुत अच्छा पोषण और हरा भरा खाना देकर उन्हें बड़ा किया है। और फिर एक दिन गया उसका साला उन दोनों बैलों को अपने घर लेकर आता है। वो उन्हें उससे बहुत ज़्यादा काम करवाता है और उनसे सूखा भूसा खाने को देता है। तो उन लोग इससे बचकर वो लोग दोनों भाग निकले और रास्ते में उन्हें मटर का खेत दिखा। मटर का खेत में उन्हें बहुत भूख लगी थी और उन्होंने मटर खा लिए, पर अचानक एक किसान आकर उन्हें बांधकर काजी हाउस में बंद कर दिया। काजी हाउस एक ऐसा घर है जहाँ पर जानवरों को बांधकर रखा जाता है और उन्हें बेचा जाता है। तो उन्होंने इसमें भी बहुत मेहनत कर दीवार तोड़कर सब जानवर को मुक्त कराए, पर वो लास्ट में फंस गए। और फिर वो एक आदमी को बचा गए। फिर उन आदमी से भी वो डट कर सामना कर अपने घर वापस लौट आए और झूली के पास चले गए। इस तरह से हमें यह समझ आता है कि हमें आज़ादी लेने के लिए हमें बहुत मेहनत करना पड़ता है।
हमारा हिंदी का प्रोजेक्ट है जिसमें हम लोगों ने सारे अनयूज्ड मटेरियल को यहाँ पे यूज़ किए हैं। जैसे ये बोतल का कैप है, ये नारियल का सेल है, इन सब चीज़ों से हम लोगों ने अपना हिंदी का टोटल प्रोजेक्ट बनाया है। ये दिखाता है कि हमें अनेकता में एकता कैसे लाते हैं, और यही सारी चीज़ें हमको एक खास बनाती है, और यही हमारी धरती मातृभूमि भारत माता को खास बनाती है। और सारे अनयूज्ड मटेरियल्स में पेन भी है जिसका एक्सप्लेनेशन उसमें करेंगे।
जैसे कलम, इसे हम अपना सबसे बड़ा हथियार मानते हैं जिससे हम किसी भी चीज़ का जय कर सकते हैं। और ये हिंदी के फेमस साहित्यकारों के बारे में, जैसे मुंशी प्रेमचंद, जिन्हें हम साहित्य के सम्राट के नाम से भी जानते हैं, और ये है निर्मला पुतुल, दुष्यंत कुमार और जवाहरलाल नेहरू।
प्रेमचंद कहते हैं कि हमारे भारत के लोगों को भी इसी तरह मुश्किलों का सामना करना। रावण का ज्ञान था। जब राम और रावण के बीच युद्ध हुआ था तो राम ने रामबाण से रावण को आहत कर दिया और वो अपने अंतिम सांसें ले रहा था। तब लक्ष्मण जब गर्भ में देखा राम ने, तो राम ने उसे रावण के पास भेजा सबसे बड़ा ज्ञान लेने के लिए। वो था अहंकार। हमें अहंकार में कभी नहीं रहना चाहिए। अगर हमें ज़िंदगी में सफल होना है तो अहंकार को मिटाकर हमें आगे बढ़ना चाहिए, क्योंकि रावण जैसे परम ज्ञानी और शिव के बड़े भक्त में उनका अहंकार था। इसीलिए उस अहंकार के लिए उसे अपनी गलती का एहसास हुआ और वही ज्ञान उसने लक्ष्मण को दिया था।
ये प्रोजेक्ट अलंकार के बारे में है। हम हमारे दैनिक जीवन में ये सजने संवरने के लिए बहुत सारी सामग्रियों का प्रयोग करते हैं। ठीक वैसे ही कविता को और सुंदर और अच्छा बनाने के लिए हम अलंकार का प्रयोग करते हैं।